Another benefit of using a grooming brush for your cat is that it helps to prevent mats and tangles in their coat. Mats and tangles can be painful for your cat and can lead to skin irritation and infection if not properly removed. By using a grooming brush to regularly brush your cat's coat, you can help to prevent mats and tangles from forming, keeping your cat's coat smooth and healthy. In addition to reducing shedding and preventing mats, using a grooming brush for your cat can also help to improve their overall health. Regular grooming helps to stimulate blood flow to your cat's skin, which can promote healthy hair growth and a shiny coat. Grooming also helps to distribute natural oils throughout your cat's coat,